Tired of random lag and microstutters in games? This one tweak might help. If your games feel smooth one day but laggy the next, there might be a hidden process slowing you down, something buried deep in Windows that many users never touch. Today, I'm going to walk you through a manual tweak that could reduce microstuttering in many games by disabling a background Windows feature that constantly runs, even when you don't need it. Let's get into it. What we're disabling: the GameBar Presence Writer. There's a background service in Windows called GameBarPresenceWriter.exe. Even if you don't use the Xbox Game Bar, this process can still run in the background and interfere with your games, especially by introducing subtle stutters and latency. You might not even know it's running, but trust me, it's there, and many users have reported performance improvements by disabling or renaming it. Before you begin, create a restore point. It's always best to play it safe. Let's create a system restore point in case anything goes wrong. In the Start menu, type Restore, then select Create a Restore Point. Select your C drive, then click Configure. Turn on System Protection, then hit Apply, OK. Click Create, name your restore point GameBar Tweak, and hit OK. Now, if anything goes wrong, or if you want to undo this, you've got a safe point to roll back to. Method 1. Registry tweak to disable GameBar Presence Writer. This method blocks Windows from even trying to activate the GameBar Presence Writer in the background by modifying its activation type directly in the Windows registry. Important: this is safe if you follow the steps exactly, but always be careful when editing the registry. Step 1. Open the registry editor. Press Win+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and press Enter. If prompted by user account control, click Yes. The registry editor will now open. Step 2. Navigate to the activation entry. In the left panel, carefully browse to the following location. Once there, scroll down the list of keys, folders, until you find this specific one. Click on that folder to highlight it. Step 3. Modify the activation type. On the right-hand side, you should see a value called ActivationType. Double-click ActivationType to edit it. Change the value data from 1 to 0. Click OK to apply the change. Sometimes Windows restricts changes to protected registry keys. If you can't edit activation type, right-click the Presence Writer key in the left-hand panel and choose Permissions. In the window that appears, click Add. Type your Windows username or Microsoft account email. Click Check Names to validate, then hit OK. Back in the Permissions list, select your account and check Full Control. If the error persists even after setting full control, the final fix is to take ownership of the key. Click the Advanced button. At the top, next to the owner label, click Change. Enter your username or email again, then check names, OK. Confirm all prompts and click Apply, then OK. You now have full control over the key. Go back and re-edit the activation type to 0. Method 2. Renaming the GameBar process. This method fully disables a hidden background process called GameBarPresenceWriter.exe, which is part of Xbox GameBar. It can sometimes launch during games, even when Xbox GameBar is turned off, using memory and occasionally introducing lag. We're going to prevent that entirely by renaming the file, but first we need to take ownership of it. Step 1. Locate the GameBar Presence Writer file. Open File Explorer. Navigate to This PC, Local Disk C, Windows, System 32. In the top right search bar, type GameBarPresenceWriter.exe. Wait a few seconds for it to locate the file. Once it appears, right-click it and choose Properties. Step 2. Take ownership of the file. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Click the Advanced button near the bottom. At the top of the new window, click Change next to the Owner field. In the Enter the Object Name to Select box, type your Windows username. If you're using a Microsoft account, type the full email address associated with your account. Click Check Names to validate it. Once confirmed, click OK, then Apply, and then OK again to confirm the change. You now officially own the file and can modify it. Step 3. Grant yourself full file access. Go back to Properties, Security, Advanced. Click the Add button under the permission entries. In the new window, click Select a Principal. Type the same username or email you entered earlier. Click Check Names, then OK. In the Permissions section, check the box for full control. Click OK, then Apply, and then OK again. Now you can modify, rename, or delete the file as needed. Rename the file to disable it. Still in the System32 folder, right-click GameBarPresenceWriter.exe. Select Rename. Add something to the end of the file name, like _disabled or _backup, so it becomes GameBarPresenceWriter_disabled.exe. Press Enter, and if prompted for administrator permission, click Continue. And that's it. By renaming the file, you've prevented Windows from executing it, without deleting anything or breaking the system. How to undo everything. Restore GameBar Presence Writer. If you ever want to roll back the changes you made to disable GameBar Presence Writer, maybe for troubleshooting, compatibility, or personal preference, you can fully undo the process in just a few steps. 1. Rename the file back to its original name. If you previously renamed the file to disable it, here's how to restore it. Open File Explorer. Navigate to C, Windows, System32. In the top right search box, type GameBar Presence Writer. Look for the renamed file. For example, GameBarPresenceWriter_disabled.exe or something similar. Right-click the file and select Rename. Rename it back exactly to GameBarPresenceWriter.exe. Press Enter. Then Continue, or Yes if prompted for administrator permissions. This allows Windows to access the component, again if needed. 2. Restore the registry activation setting. If you use the registry method to disable activation, you'll need to revert that too. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to the following location. On the right side, find the value named ActivationType. Double-click it. Change the value back to 1. Click OK to confirm. This tells Windows that the component is allowed to be launched again. 3. Optional. Use a system restore point. If you created a restore point before making these tweaks, as recommended, you can go back to that exact system state. Click Start, type, create a restore point, and open it. In the System Protection tab, click System Restore. Choose the restore point you named earlier, e.g. GameBar Tweak Backup. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the restore process. This will undo all system-level changes you made after that point, not just this tweak. Use only if you want a full reset. Let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. Did it make your system feel smoother? Did you notice fewer random spikes or jitters? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow Windows and gaming performance guides. Until next time, take care.